Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by unlocking your iPhone and confirming the screen is clean. This reduces missed taps. Once done, rest your finger lightly near the home or bottom edge for home gestures and near the top for control center. Practice a single tap to open apps, then a slow swipe to scroll. This teaches contact area and pressure. Make sure to use the pad of your finger. Why? It maximizes sensor contact and minimizes accidental presses, improving accuracy immediately. Now move into combined gestures that let you multitask. Swipe up from the bottom to return home, and swipe up and hold briefly to reveal the app switcher, so you can close or switch apps quickly. Then, swipe down from the top right corner for control center, or from top left for notifications to control settings. Practice pinch to zoom with 2 fingers in photos and maps. This teaches spatial control. Once you master timing and finger placement, complex interactions become fast. To finish, fine-tune settings. Adjust touch accommodations if gestures feel off, and enable haptic feedback for clearer confirmation. Once set, practice combining gestures. Open an app, pinch to zoom, then swipe up to close to reinforce muscle memory. If gestures stop working, restart your iPhone first, then check touch settings. Often that resolves software hiccups. If problems persist, make sure screen protectors aren't interfering, because physical barriers are a common cause of poor responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.